I found the new McLaren 7, well, kind of new. It came out already. Anyways, we found a McLaren 720S Spyder.
You'll see it in 3, 2, 1.
So Tony and I are in the land of dreams right now, and if you want to know what that looks like, yep, that should do it. So we'll show you some McLarens and I'll shut up. The paint on this 600 LT is magnificent. The yellow is glorious. I mean, look at those exhaust tips. MSO wall right there. The only thing about this interior that gets me every time I see it is when you see the center console, it just looks like whoa. And something that I didn't know before was that those buttresses are glass. I don't know if that's gonna show up well on camera, but yeah, they're transparent. You know, it's something that I absolutely love about both of these cars is that when you take a peek underneath in the diffuser, you can actually see everything mechanically underneath there. I'm a sucker for seeing all that stuff, and it's bad. I mean, how could you not like it? Stunning. The fact that it doesn't have a massive intake right there, and all the aero is inboard, which I'm sure you guys already know. But I mean, it can be yours for $314,000.
Damn! One of the things I enjoy about this place is that it's pretty much everything is designed, from the desk to the floor to the lighting. It feels like it's an expensive car dealership because it goddamn is.
Look how big that diffuser is. Oh, it's got the camera in there too. That's clever. That's a tiny reverse light. Oh my God, this thing is so cool. Again, with that aero work, look at this whole carbon lip right here. Look how badass that is. Isn't it just absolutely amazing? Oh, I love the center seats in this thing. Oh my God. Wow. I've never seen these in person. They look super light. Look how thin that thing is. Wow, that interior is nice. Wow. We didn't really talk about this red, but this red is so hot.
So hot.
Something that I never knew, which I probably should have, is the difference in the material on the wing, because the exhaust is right there, because the thing spits flame. Yeah, these wheels are amazing. I freaking love all the carbon aero work on this car. The side skirt, and then how the bumper's there. You can see a piece of the tire right there. And then obviously the whole back end is carbon. Like, what's not to like, especially with that exhaust on the top. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I wish the reflector was somewhere else, but that's okay. I can deal with it. Man, this is sick. I guess we'll get you some B-roll of everything now. Oh yeah, I love seeing how the aerodynamics help design the car, essentially. I think I talked about earlier not having like a vent right there, but then putting all the aero work inboard like this between the door, and then there's air curtains there. There's a ton of aero that not only shaped the headlight graphic, but there's air curtain on the side, and then incorporated the reflector in that same design, which is part of the wheel flat. Like, there it is. I think I missed it on camera, but the reflector and the wheel flat right there. Man, I just love how the whole face is designed by aero, essentially. The whole front nose is pretty soft too. It doesn't feel like it's gonna, jar you to death, but just look at that tunnel sucking in all that air. Oh my God. And here's another color for to help see it, because I think that orange kind of drowns everything out. But my God, that is phenomenal. But I think we'll just stop it here, because you're just gonna see us drooling and over all the same stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the McLarens. Thanks for watching, and thanks for letting us film here, because this is what an experience. What an experience.